Saving money shouldn't be a mystery. Cracking the code on Sofi's 4.2% APY. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about something everyone wants more of: cold, hard cash. Specifically, how to make the most of the money you've already earned. Remember those piggy banks we used as kids? Stuffing in our allowance, watching it slowly grow. Well, the concept remains the same, but the tools have gotten a whole lot more sophisticated. These days, high-yield savings accounts, HYSAs, are all the rage. They offer interest rates that absolutely dwarf what traditional banks give you. But with all the options out there, it can feel overwhelming. So, if you've stumbled upon Sofi's HYSA and their enticing 4.2% APY, annual percentage yield, you're definitely not alone. But is it too good to be true? And how exactly do you snag that sweet interest rate? Let's unpack the secrets of Sofi's 4.2% APY and see if it's the right fit for your financial goals. First things first, transparency is key. That 4.2% APY isn't a universal guarantee. It's actually a reward for meeting a specific requirement: direct deposit. Now, don't worry, it's not like setting up an intergalactic money transfer. Direct deposit simply means having your paycheck or recurring payments automatically deposited into your Sofi savings account. Think salary, pension, or even government benefits. Here's the beauty: there's no minimum direct deposit amount required to unlock the 4.2% APY. Any direct deposit, however small, will qualify you. However, there's a catch. You need to make that direct deposit at least once every 30 days. So, if you're a freelancer with sporadic income, Sofi's HYSA might not be the best fit for maximizing the interest rate. But wait, there's more. Sofi throws in another layer of incentive. If you manage to snag a cool $1,000 or more in direct deposits every month, you unlock additional perks like free overdraft coverage on your Sofi checking account, which comes bundled with the savings account. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: is 4.2% APY actually good? Absolutely. In today's world of measly savings account interest rates, 4.2% is a game changer. It means your money is actively working for you, growing at a much faster pace. Here's a real-world example. Let's say you stash away $5,000 in your Sofi HYSA and consistently meet the direct deposit requirement. At 4.2% APY, you'd be earning roughly $210 in interest over a year. That might not sound like a fortune, but it's free money. Plus, it compounds over time, meaning the interest you earn also starts generating interest. But Sofi's HYSA isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Limited ATM network: Sofi doesn't have a massive brick-and-mortar presence. You'll have access to over 55,000 all-point ATMs fee-free, but outside that network, you might incur charges. No physical checks: Sofi operates primarily online. If you rely on physical checks, you might need to find alternative solutions. The APY is variable. While Sofi's current rate is fantastic, interest rates can fluctuate depending on market conditions. So, is Sofi's HYSA with its 4.2% APY right for you? If you prioritize a high interest rate, meet the direct deposit requirement, and value a user-friendly online platform, then Sofi is definitely worth a strong look. However, if easy access to cash via ATMs or the comfort of physical checks is crucial, you might want to explore other HYSAs. Ultimately, the best savings account is the one that aligns with your financial goals and habits. Do your research, compare options, and find the one that helps your money grow the fastest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.